You're embarking on a major renovation, taking an important room or an entire apartment and giving it new life. Starting from the bottom up, at the heart of the project is the subfloor. No doubt an attractive new floor is part of the plan, but you're faced with a subfloor that's badly worn, damaged, uneven, definitely a major expense to deal with. Many owners and contractors believe the best way to approach a damaged subfloor is to rip it up and start over, a truly costly and unwise environmental decision. Each year, millions of tons of debris from home and building renovations clog our landfills and become a pollution hazard threatening water supplies.
So this damaged subfloor here, as you see, is in terrible condition. We at HPS Schönox have a solution in order to avoid this. Bringing old material to the landfill is not good for the environment. It is costly and time-consuming. So what you see on this floor is that it does not just have cracks, but it also deteriorates in some places and leaves big holes, which have to be filled with a repair mortar first before we put our Schönox AP or APF on top of it. Any kind of subfloors, may it be old plywood, may it be old wood, may it be old ceramic, stone, whatever you think of, all concrete, all kind of critical substrates, those which are in bad condition, do not worry about it, just apply the Schönox material on top of it.
Achieve your goal of a beautiful new floor with a professionally executed renovation. The sound environmental approach, saving money over demolition, removal, and rebuilding.
So we have a wood house construction, and on top there is this old gypsum. The gypsum is worn out. You see all these particles and loose pieces. The really just loose pieces need to be removed. Everything else can stay as it is. We then go ahead and we clean around the edges and over the floor, and then we prime with our primer KH Fix. After a short drying time of around 30 to 45 minutes, you're then ready to pour Schönox AP or APF on top of it.
Working with a licensed contractor protects your investment because contractors are required to be insured and responsible for their results. And you need to pick a contractor that uses the best products available. HPS Schönox has a full line of repair products, floor leveling compounds, waterproofing materials, adhesives, and more. With them, your contractor will take a heavily damaged subfloor quickly and easily to a perfect surface, ready for any type of beautiful new floor.
When it comes to health and the environment, we do know that Schönox AP and APF are the perfect products. Number one, they are a synthetic gypsum. That's not a natural gypsum. They are recycled content. They are non-toxic and perfect to use for multifamily, healthcare, and everywhere else where people are working or living.
All of Schönox primers, moisture mitigation systems, self-leveling compounds, patching and smoothing compounds are very low in VOCs, harmful volatile organic compounds. You won't have to worry about the air quality in your home affecting your family's health. And Schönox self-leveling products are stronger than concrete, providing amazing performance. Schönox synthetic gypsum compounds have compressive strength of up to 6,200 psi.
So most installers who use it once will continue using it and prefer the synthetics over any cement. When it comes to the strength of the product, it becomes very, very hard. We're talking up to 6,200 psi, which is twice the strength of concrete. Schönox AP, APF does not shrink, does not crack, does not chip, and that is a wonderful solution over old, critical or problematic subfloors. So here with Schönox synthetics, we really have a revolution how we address old floors.
This remarkable transformation has only taken one day, turning a disastrous subfloor into the perfect substrate for any kind of beautiful new floor of the owner's choosing, and accomplished with the health and well-being of future occupants and the environment as priorities. For more information on HPS Schönox products, go to hpsubfloors.com. And to view this story again and get more information, visit our website, designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.